Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm Tom Clark, your host, and today I'm going to show you Fenner Drive's upgraded link belt called POWERTWIST Drive. Now, this upgrade has eliminated the need to retension after the run-in period. I mean, it truly is a fit-it and forget-it belt. POWERTWIST Drive includes all the same benefits as the red POWERTWIST Plus. It saves critical time on installation and saving money on inventory and downtime, and when you do that, your bottom line looks so much better. So, when considering POWERTWIST's higher tolerance to temperature, less vibration, and chemical and abrasion resistance, the value up here, off the charts. It's absolutely amazing. It's the solution for your power transmission and conveying applications, and it's going to cure your belting headaches. Now, before we actually dive into the installation, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put on the appropriate PPE, and you should do the same for whatever the job calls for, because safety is always priority number one. Now, step one in this, we want to determine the right hand-tight length. So, I've measured out of the box about right here. That's kind of like my hand-tight length, but that's not, because if I were to tighten that right there, that's not really the proper tension. So what we need to do is remove additional links per the instructions. Here's the instructions right here. All right, so I can achieve proper installation tension. So, using the included installation instructions, we've determined we need to remove 2 links. So I'll take out 2 links. There's 1. There's 2. Now, watch this. We're going to turn this upside down. We'll put the first one in this way. All right, now, when we do the second one, I'm going to kind of pinch it together a little bit here, and then we've made like a little bit of a chair. All right, so we do that. Bam. And that's in. That took me, I don't know, what, like 10 seconds or something. Okay, now I'm going to flip it all around. I'm going to put it on my pulleys. And this is like the old bicycle chain. You know, you get it started here, and then you can kind of roll it, and it goes. Now watch this. And bam, we are good to go. You can see how easy the installation was, and it's pretty fast, too. Okay, now that it's installed, I'm going to check the tension with a force deflection gauge to know that it's installed properly, and I never have to come back and check the tension again. And how do I do that? Yes, the installation instructions right here. It will tell you exactly what you need to do. You see, now that the belt has been preseated, when it comes out of the box, it is ready for its permanent one-time install. It's all done. Bam! Now, that's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. Hey, be sure to check out more videos on mihowto.com with me, Tom Clark, as your host. And as you could see, I dropped the PPE because I was done with my deal. But whatever your deal is, make sure that you wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for, because safety is always priority number one. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.